Dashcam Madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video. I need new pants after this one. Today is my lucky day. Is he lagging? Be safe out there. I think his car is allergic to brake pedals. Driver did not choose the road rage life. Road rage life chose him. I don't think you can drive there, mate. That's scary. If bad driving was an Olympic sport, here will be gold medalists. Backing up is not an option for this driver for some reason. I think he just got his car yesterday.
One eternity later.
It's his road. We're just driving on it.
I looked over at the counter for survivor chromes. It continued to fall. Like half of the survivors having already descended to the 6th floor. 99,754.
Good thing that video cut off.
Holy shit!
I think there is something personal going on here. Another one who doesn't use their mirrors? Not sure how he survived. Wear your seatbelts. You never know what can happen. What a strange way to take an exit. They were an inch away from hitting the truck. This must have been painful to experience.
Dumb shit.
The institutional reform began in 1972 when two high-ranking research
You are such a
did labs to de-stress psychosocial research in favor of more promising studies in the biological.
Okay, Garmin.
It began
Save
a matter of
video.
resetting priorities, explained the policy handed down by John Everhart and Robert Cohen. It was time to recognize that the
Like,
anticipated
what is
contributions
wrong with
of
you?
sociology and psychology,
Oh my
especially
God,
the
you
knowledge treatment of mental illness had been disappointing and limited.
Who was at fault here? I almost got a heart attack. I think there is some personal here.
A few moments later.
DC 93679.
Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.